My name is Juliana. I am based in Ontario, Canada. I originally have always loved the creative aspect of literally everything. I just love dogs to begin with, so it's sort of my muse. But I also was really known in my art program back in high school for doing more of like vintage style type of artwork. I also just love more realistic type of art. That was sort of what I was always drawn to. For Etsy it wasn't as big as it was now. It was more for niche sort of artistic, unique finds. I have actually shipped to the UK. I've had 2 customers from the UK. It hits a little differently. It's like, oh my gosh, my product has reached like across the Atlantic. That's wild to me. And I was looking at my monthly views and I was like, oh my God, it's at 10K already. What is going on? It's just like one of those milestones that it's like, oh my God, it's working, finally. I did my research and then came across Gelato. Why I chose Gelato is because it produces locally, it ships locally. I don't have to worry about the whole one country to another customs issues. It just makes sense to me. I have the app, it's on my phone. It just helps with really just organizing, making sure who's in pre-transit and whose order was officially shipped. So I do appreciate those notifications that pop up on there. It's one of those platforms where it's really just good to start off on, especially if you're an artist. And I find that the way they have it built out in terms of the interface, it just makes sense to me.